How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted contacts on Samsung. So if you've deleted someone's number and you want the contact back, there's three things that you can do to try and get their number again. So the first thing to do is open up your contacts app, and on the left you'll see three horizontal lines. Press them and then come down and tap on recycle bin. So if you've deleted any contacts, they'll be in your recycle bin for around 30 days, and after that they'll be permanently deleted. So if they're in there, then you don't need to watch anymore. But if you still can't find them, you can also go to Google Contacts if you had your contacts synced with a Google account. So come to contacts.google.com, and then it's the same thing again. Press the three horizontal lines on the left and then press on your trash bin, and they might be in your Google Contacts trash bin. And finally, if you had your contacts synced with the Google Cloud, then you can check there for a backup. So come into your settings and then find the accounts and backup section, and then come to the bottom and press on Samsung Cloud, and then scroll down once again and press on restore data. So if you have a backup, then you can simply back it up and restore the contact. So that's three different ways that you can restore deleted contacts on Samsung.